Hello everyone, welcome back. Vikrant here from Polytec. A good topic today, requested from existing customers. This is about comparing a PSV-400 with a 500. If you are a customer of 400, should you consider upgrading? So that's what we want to target and address in this video. A 500 has been around for quite a few years now, introduced in 2015. So that's the year the 400 was discontinued. So yeah, let's get to it. A couple of pictures of what a 400 and now the 500 looks like. Before we go there, though, I wanted to show you this picture, a blast from the past. First scanning vibrometer system, 1992. Back then too, we had a violin measurement. We still have one, but with newer systems, newer gadgets. So it's pretty cool, though. A piece from the museum. Some of you may be even familiar with it. My first experience was with the 200. Here we go now, one slide presentation, I promise. Let me move myself away so it doesn't come in the view. Some of the changes, again, there are so many more, but these are some of the ones that might appeal to you and definitely appeal to me. First one, let's see, scan range. So the scan range used to be 40 by 40, more of a square design. With the 400. Now it's a wider, more HD compatible design, so it kind of moves in a broader range. The demodulation is purely digital with the 500, so it does help in reducing the noise floor quite a bit. So if you've ever had issues with signal to noise ratio, you should see a substantial improvement on that front. The camera quality is much better. So that means that not only you get better visuals, but also it allows us to use some of the advanced processing techniques like pattern matching, like video triangulation, image processing techniques, which opens up a broad spectrum of possibilities. For example, in terms of being able to do automatic 2D and 3D alignment, as the users of the system know, that's one of the steps that takes time. So you can substantially reduce the amount of time it takes for 2D and 3D alignment. Shorter minimum standoff distance just because of the optics inside. So if you have applications where you require shorter distances or the absolute smallest spot size, it's a big plus. Substantially faster autofocus time, which always reduces overall measurement time as well. The geometry scan unit, if you are familiar with the 400, you can slide it on the outside. With the 500, it is internal. We started building it ourselves, and a lot more sensitive, a lot more repeatable, and also yeah, makes the whole system more compact. There's a new feature called a coherence optimizer, which are you guys are probably used to the term optimal standoff distances. That there were certain distances that were good, and then certain where used to be like dark spots. Not the case with the 500. The coherence optimizer ensures that regardless of where you put the sensor head, it just works just as well. Better tracking filters, more options as well in terms of tracking filters. What this means is you have more possibilities to kind of optimize it with respect to your velocities and accelerations, and overall, less dropouts. More reference channels for your external sensors, your impedance heads, and accelerometers, microphones, sensors, thermal sensors, all kinds of stuff. So definitely more possibilities. Last two are probably my favorites. The new systems work on laptops now. So you can definitely make the system a lot more compact. I have pictures of both the 1D and the 3D here, the 3D with the laptop and the 1D with the laptop as well. And bring your own laptop. So you don't even need to get a laptop from us. If you feel like you'd rather use what your company prefers or your institution prefers, by all means, we'll give you the guidelines. You bring your own laptop. And last one is a big one. The 400 was a helium neon based scan head. With the 500, you can either use a helium neon based, which is perfectly fine, and or, so you can also use both one at a time, of course. Q-Tech. Q-Tech is the dropout free, the next generation of vibrometers. We have had several videos and webinars on it. It's the next standard. But again, you have the choice. So initially it was just Heaney. Now you can use a Heaney or a Q-Tech. So these are some of the sort of the differences that kind of stand out to me. So yeah, have a look. Reach out if in doubt. As I say, always try it out. Let us know if you want to give it a test drive. We'll be happy to help. Thank you very much for your time, and we are here to help. Until next time, bye bye.